Chomaritas.
Amigo Jenny, bebe tamarindo.
Amigo Jenny, bebe água e tamaré.
Ah, ajá, sí. Bebe.
For the vlog? Amiga! Another amiga! Another amiga! Hey amiga! Hey amiga! Panoy siya! Hey! Good morning, amiga! Today is Klein Curacao Day, which means Little Curacao. So we are here waiting. We're really early because today the school started back and therefore it would be really busy on the road and we didn't want to be in a traffic jam. So therefore we left the home early and we are now in the car waiting for time. My stepdad went to inform where we need to be for the boat.
Dankjewel, Chomaritas.
Ik krijg niet. Dankjewel. Yeah, and my mom made us sandwiches.
Boru.
Boru? Boru? Brood.
Boru.
Broodje. Anyways, that's that. I hope you're enjoying the vlogs. I hope you like what you're seeing. And we're gonna make today a beautiful day. Let's go! And I didn't say it yet so far, but make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Yes! This is what I'm currently seeing. This is my view right now. This is my view. Can you imagine this? That this can be your life? Can you imagine? So beautiful. Oh my god. Amiga, we are on the boat. Chomaritas. Chomaritas are on. Hi girl, are you on? Are you on? Yes, yes, we're ready. We're going with the blue fin charter. And this okay. And this is the newest catamaran. The what was it called again? The Apache. So I'm super excited. we are now on the island. We're walking towards the light tower. Light tower, is it toch? Light tower. So yeah, it's so beautiful. The beach is super wide, super pretty. I'm excited. Sonho. Good morning, Amiga. It is now the next day. These vlogs feel very hectic in my opinion. because when I get home I'm so tired, and I'm also just trying to film things that are relevant. So today we are going to visit my grandmother's grave. We are also going to the Plaza Bio again because Ben wants to try, what was it called again in English? Iguana soup.
Tell them why.
Why?
Yeah. Is it popular here?
Yeah, it's one of the popular dishes of here. I am not gonna do it, but he is going to. He really wants to try it. Yeah, maybe I can try something else, but we'll see what they have today. Shomaritas! Hi!
So,
They prayed, yeah?
Someone prayed for Shomaritas and she became worse.
Oh no.
Malu.
Aqui mama assim, di ko mapira mas malo. Nare sa bomba mama to.
Benta pa ko'y loko.
Ko casa. Aka. Una tesla. Ah, okay. Teto sila itra? No to te. Oh, nami comida to. Sorry. Igualmente. Bom. Nem punta ainda assim, pero tem que... É muito opschieten. Doei! Ah, oké, tof. Dag, amiga! Amiga.
Private gouverneur.
Burgemeester?
Gouverneur en gouverneurtje.
Eigenlijk moet je dus doen bij jouw activiteit. Morgen. We gaan namiddag. Morgen moet niet slapen. Morgen is Groovy Day.
Wat voor day? Wat is Groovy Day?
Overal stoppen en dingen doen. Good morning. Good morning. Hi, amiga. We are now at the Plaza Bio. I just ran into Jonathan and also Tiffany, and I already have like a tamarind juice, and I ordered my food. Benny ordered his. His soup was already set apart for him because he said he was gonna come. So yeah, that's that. I'll vlog when the food gets here. Benny, wat eet je? En is het lekker? Is het good? Ja? En dan zeg je tegen papi mensen dat het good? Hobby bon?
Amigo Jenny, bebe tamarindo.
Amigo Jaita, baby, awe tamaray.
Ah, sim. Bebe.
amiga, Jenny from the future here. I thought I would give you some context to the footage you're about to see. So basically the story is my mom has this friend and they have been friends before I was even born. And over 20 years ago, she asked this friend to give my grandmother 100 guilders because my grandmother really needed it. And my mom would give that money back to her when she would go on vacation. But because the friend used to move a lot, they lost contact. And before this trip, my mom found her daughter on Facebook and she became back in contact with her friend. So she told her, like, this time when I come to Curacao, I will come and bring you your 100 guilders. So we were looking for this friend and she didn't have the address because she told the friend that she would call her when she is close by in her neighborhood. But then the friend had a problem with her phone right in the moment that we were trying to contact her. And we ended up driving around for 2 hours looking for this friend's house, even being in front of her house, but not knowing because we couldn't get her on the phone. So my mom was really frustrated and she was even crying. And I was just like, I don't get it. Like, what is going on? Why don't you just give the money to her daughter and then her daughter can give it to her mom? Like, what is the big deal? You know, I couldn't understand. And then when eventually she even turned on her mobile data from the Netherlands, paying for all the roaming costs and everything to get in contact with a friend. And then we ended up finding her, but they cried when they saw each other. They were very emotional. It was very wholesome to see, but it was more about them seeing each other. The friend was laughing that my mom brought that 100 guilders over like more than a decade ago, like 20 years later. She still returned the money, but for my mom, it was more a principle. You helped me when I needed your help, and yeah, I'm still gonna like do my part and give you back your money. And she also had like a lot of presents that she bought for her friend, but she insisted on giving it back and handing over all the gifts herself. And in the end, Benny and I just ended up teasing her about it because she just was doing a lot. She was throwing tantrums. But yeah, I thought I would share with you what this is all about.
Hebben erger geworden. Ja.
Was het goed dat jij ook je mond hebt gehouden? Anders begin je ook tegen jou te schrijven.
Ik ben gaan slapen. I know you, Shomaritas. Ja. Smoelauw, hè? Vanavond gaan we naar Sambil en Shomaritas blijft thuis. We gaan onze hoofd luchten.
Basta kira tagaya, may tagaya.
Siya, wag kita ganun ba ang kama ko? Wag school na. Dako school.
Dan ko school su mama.
Oh,
Lante kira tagaya, may tagaya. Di mo eta met die kuba wa kung pero biya fo.
Wat is Fina nu?
Ja, ik heb het.
Om Shomaritas.
Ik heb ook gezegd.
Ayo. Shomaritas, ik hou van je, maar vandaag niet. Ruzie.
Waarom niet?
Nee, kijk wat je doet nu. Nu moeten we weer een uur zitten in de villa.
Je hebt vakantie, je hebt niks om te doen.
Nee, maar niet in file zitten. Ik kon niet op het balkon zitten en lachen.
Biertje drinken.
Cola drinken, tamarine drinken.
Ah, je kakaritas.
Ja, is niet erg, maar het zou thuis zijn. Jenny was bang, hè?
ja, ik was wel even bang,
Je
ja.
was bang, hè?
Ja. Maar dit is geen tekerie zo.
Ja. Nee, is niet jouw nummer.
En dan is smoelauw.
Ja, zie je?
Kau tuh minta bayar maya, itu marui. Ga jullie met me mee?
Nee? Nee? Ga naar binnen.
Ik ga dat auto morgen weer met mij mee.
Nee?
Met wie ga je mee?
Met Eitel.
Ja. Jij ook toch, Jenny?
Ik ook. Hey amiga, it is now quite a lot later. I haven't vlogged that much today. Today was pretty relaxed. We bought a iguana soup for Benny at Yvonne in the Plaza Bio. And we're now gonna try it. We're gonna eat it.
Because you tried the sopropo.
Yes, I tried the sopropo into, and well, it seems like I need to jeopardize it again because I didn't want to. And now I also need to do. It's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna try it. It smells really good, which makes me excited. But I don't know. Like it's just the fact that I'm eating an iguana. Yeah. Anyways, let me show you.
I see carrots,
Corn, potato,
iguana.
Oh my gosh! You really see the skin.
Egg.
Oh no!
You don't want the eggs?
No, I don't want eggs. I'm sorry.
Okay.
You can have that bowl.
I'm not gonna put too much for you.
Yeah, thank you.
But I sound too excited for
Yes,
this?
you are really excited.
Yeah. I wanted to try this since we landed.
That's true.
And
Okay, that's enough for me, I think.
it's a week later, right?
Yes, we're almost leaving.
Yeah, today is exactly a week that I was looking for it.
Yeah, it's true.
So yeah. And Iguana made sure that I got it.
Yeah, she did. We're gonna do a little taste test for you. Oh, that's what you got with it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And I also got this. This is like pepper,
Lemon or something?
pepper
Oh.
and a lemon.
Oh, nice.
You want the pepper?
Yes, I do.
The pepper.
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna give you the pepper then. And I'm gonna give you the pepper.
Thank you. Okay, moment of truth. Let's try it. Kunnen we het even hier proberen, schat? Yes. Thank you. Can I have a spoon? The soup tastes like soup, but it's the iguana part. It does taste like chicken. But I'm like, if it tastes like chicken, why don't we just eat the chicken? What do you think? You love it?
I still need to get to the meat part. Give me a sec.
I'm just so surprised that you want to try everything.
Okay. Iguana.
How do you like it?
Yeah.
Right?
I like it.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't think it tastes like chicken though. But I know this texture.
It kind of does taste like chicken.
Okay. I still think that you need to taste it in masala. Like
Masala?
yeah. And I need to taste the eggs too.
That is what I'm not doing. I'm not trying the
Because I
eggs.
can remember, like, the eggs were very good in curry.
True.
Yeah. But these only have the yolk.
The idea of eating a fucking iguana, it's just bothering me.
This is the egg.
Oh, you're gonna eat the egg still.
Yeah, you thought I was.
You need to peel it?
Yeah. So you can peel it, but I also think that if you cook it, I don't know if it happened just later, but
It will come up. The peel will come up.
yeah.
Tastes like a yolk?
Yeah.
Alright, not me though. Even if it was good, I'm not gonna lie. It's not that
It's a
bad.
great soup.
Yeah, it's a great soup. But it's the fact that I'm eating an iguana that is not like sitting too great with me.
It's really
I had enough of the iguana. I'm gonna just eat the stuff in the soup. Okay, that's it for me, Benny. If you want the rest of the meat, you can have it. I'm not gonna do that.
okay.
I'm gonna have like a normal sandwich.
Okay. But now I want to try the
Cabrito?
yeah, soup.
It's gonna be delicious too. It tastes just like beef. Doesn't have like
It's the same thing?
yeah, kinda.
Okay.
I did all the talking. What's yours?
And I did all the eating.
You did all the eating, yeah. Anyways, I have a little bologna sandwich. I'm gonna eat that now.
Boring.
And then, I know, but whatever. And then I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye, amiga. Tomorrow's Kingsday. Tomorrow's Kingsday.
Kingsday!
Yes. Bye. Hello, amiga. Today is a new day. Today is Kingsday. As you already saw before this clip, This morning we had breakfast. Oh my god, I forgot how to say breakfast. This morning we had breakfast with Jonathan and Tiff. They came to pick us up for a little Johnny cake breakfast. So we got the Johnny cakes, and then after that we ate them at my mom's porch. And now we got ready and everything, and we're heading to the city. Benny and I are in orange, and Tiff and John are in the front. And yeah, we're heading to the city now. Benny is finally gonna see the city. I felt a little bad since I haven't showed that to him yet, but it's gonna be okay because today I'm gonna show him the city and otra banda. So Punda and otra banda. So yeah, let's go. Peter May. Oh yeah, Peter May as well. Yeah, that belongs to Punda.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, no, but it's good. It's good. Very good. You're learning. So that's that. Yeah, I'll see. So yeah, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about the Curacao vlogs. Okay, let's go.
Looking for someone to save me from all of the things in my past. I'd do anything just to make it stop. Yeah, tired of sitting and waiting, but every time I open up, there's always someone who lets me down. So give me pain, give me pleasure, I don't mind. It's whatever, all I want is someone to love. Ease my mind, give me headache, I don't care. It's whatever, all I want is someone to love. La 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 la. All I want is la 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 la. All I want is.
Alright, amiga, we found a parking spot, and now, yes, we had to look for a little bit. But now we are going through the Renaissance and then heading to Otra Banda. I'm so excited. Yes, and to Punda. Yes! We're gonna do everything by foot because it's just the best option today. And everyone is in orange 2 years after COVID. It is busy. Everyone wants to party today. So we gonna join. Oh my god! Hey, I'm back! Hey, Sus! Say hi to the vlog! This is my cousin! Leuk man! Oh my god, this is so fun! vlogging. Oh my god! Pretty, pretty, pretty! Amiga! Another amiga! Look at another amiga! Amigas! Yes! Hey amiga! We need to support. Hey, amiga! Manoy siya! Hey! Hey, amiga! We are now at Tony Roma's. We came here for a bite to eat and also to enjoy the airco a little bit. It was really, really nice in the city, but it was hot. So, okay, he's from Suriname. For him, it's never hot, but for me, it was hot. Hot. But I'll let you know when the food gets here. And let me show you the newlyweds. Hey guys. Hey, douchies. I love them so much. I do. I love you too so much. Here, amiga, we have the food. Not your mom's fried chicken. What do you have?
Sirloin.
Sirloin. Rita already started. It's spirit. We're hungry.
Scampi.
And
Chicken
scampi.
shrimps.
Chicken shrimp.
Chicken shrimps.
Chicken
Cajun
shrimps.
shrimps.
And Cajun
Chicken
fries.
shrimps.
Cajun fries.
Okay.
Amiga, it is now the next day, and actually the day is already ended, but I vlogged on my phone today, so I'm gonna insert the footage of today.
Magkakibra may garganta.
Huwag mo ito sa amin, pinupusya. Huwag mo ito
Sige,
pusya.
pusya.
Huwag mo ito pusya. Huwag mo ito magabungkit. Huwag mo ito kwasa. Yan, huwag mo ito gawin.
Sip, da comprende.
Sì, me lo sa amin.
Jerry, ti voglio una opinion. Jerry, da comprende.
Yan, ito kaya sa amin, Jerry.
Sì, pusha. Basoro ba ito yung kusali?
Si. Huwag mo ito pusya. Ang bukas na po.
I know. Pusha.
Incredible. Ben,
Ja.
één ding moet ik wel zeggen.
Ja.
Gisteren
Ja.
hebben jullie ons wel in de steek gelaten.
Nee, 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 ik niet hoor. Ik niet.
Dat is, nee, dat is niet waar.
Dat is Jennyfer.
Nee. Oh. Alleen in de steek.
Somaritas.
Jullie hebben ons
Somaritas.
niet schreeuwen.
Wie's kennis is Brute en Tiffany? Zijn die mijn kennis?
Jawel.
Ja, ik ken ze via Jennyfer.
Maar jij moet Jennifer zeggen, nee Jennifer, wij laten Aita en Shumara niet in de steek.
Nee,
Maar ja, je gaat
Aita,
met
weet je wat
Jennifer.
het was? We hebben Shamara in de steek gelaten.
Ja,
Ja, ja.
dat denk ik wel.
Ja, dat is het. Dat is het. Wat wilde je eigenlijk meenemen?
Ja.
Jullie zijn gewoon 3 tegen 1. Nee, dat is niet waar.
Nee, nee. 3 tegen 1 is gemeen.
Nee.
Maar het is 1 tegen 1 tegen 1. Ja.
Ja.
Benny is bang voor jou sinds je boos was.
Ja.
Omdat je
een pakketje wou brengen zonder straatnaam.
Zonder adres.
Zonder adres.
Zonder adres.
Benny is bang voor je geworden.
Ja.
Want je hebt ons Mahoso genoemd, je was boos.
Payaso.
Payaso, alles.
Ja, sinvergüenza.
Sinvergüenza.
Alles heeft ze ons genoemd.
Ja.
Hey, Farek.
Oh, nu doe je alsof je ons niet hoort. Oh, ik zie dat je zomaar. Wat heeft die persoon gedaan? Oh, Jenny. En waarom ik ook niet meer met Chomaritas uit wil gaan? Ze zoekt ruzie voor ons, dan moeten wij het oplossen.
Dat is waar.
Dat kan niet, hè? Ja. Dus, kan niet.
Nee, kan niet. Dat gaat er in zijn, wij moeten oplossen.
Ja. Dan wil ze dat we voor hem moeten gaan.
Ja, maar dan moet je geen ruzie zoeken.
Wij zoeken geen ruzie.
Nee. Kijk, dat is smoelhouden.
Ja.
Uit de Gadar.
Uit de Hezo. Uit de Gadar. Waar? Ik weet niet, maar Gadar. Ja.
Benayo.
Dat is een goeie. Ik weet het niet, maar
Maar dat heb je gedaan, mama. That's what you did.
Ja.
ja. En met geluid ook?
Ja, met geluid. En ook al ben je daar, ben je nog niet daar.
Nee.
Want we waren precies bij die vriendin van de huis. Nee, is niet hier. Shomarita.
Kijk van je.
Oh! Je hebt leffer. Shomarita is wel in een garage.
Luxe. En Shomara, die boom hier. Dat gaan we auto toch?
Kilas kuning.
Zie. Hoe wacht je met dat beetje na met dat venster?
Kilas kuning.
Er is ook een peña hier op de hoek.
Ah, echt?
Volgens mij wel.
Dit is een mame.
Toen ben je kinanda met eten?
Ja, teling. Ja, ook ik.
Oh, ja.
Heb je niet gezien?
Ik had-
met jullie.
Ik heb gisteren niet goed opgelet dan.
Heb je het opgelet?
Nee.
Jullie was hier gekomen gisteren?
Ja.
Ik kom winkelen zonder jou.
Is goed.
Nee, we gingen wandelen gisteren.
Ik ben nu gewoon nodig.
Shomarita, maar dat haar staat je mooi hoor.
Wat?
Dat haar is mooi op je.
Maar haar?
Ja.
Dankjewel. Ik ben hier.
Cheers! Cheers, Benny, kom op. Nou, Benny. Cheers! Tomorrow we are going home. Tomorrow we're going home.
I'm going home, going home. Tell amigas I'm going home.
I'm excited for my healthy food at home, but at the same time, really sad that the vacation came to an end. But what is important to me is that Benny had a great time. He likes the island where I was born. We also bonded so much with my parents, which is also really important to me. And we also got to spend time with our friends that got married. I look crazy, by the way, don't mind that. But yeah, we just got to spend a lot of time with our friends after all, because they were here for their wedding, and I have like complete understanding of the fact that they would be busy, and if we couldn't have chilled together, I would have understand that as well. But still, they made time to chill with us.
And we are flying with them tomorrow.
And yeah, so we're flying home with them tomorrow. So we made sure to arrange our seats all together, and we can have that moment as well. And it's so fun because I know Jonathan since I was a student in Rotterdam, and I never would have thought that our friendship would have turned into what it has eventually turned into. So I'm super grateful for them, super grateful for everyone here on the island, but especially my mom, my dad, Dinora. I'm so grateful. Nadine, like I have so Flavienne, I have so many. Miss Ivana from Yvonne's kitchen at the Plaza Piel. Rosa? Who is Rosa?
Wasn't she serving us?
Yes, I don't know her name for sure, but I don't even think she watches the vlogs. But Rosa, I think her name is, that works at Iguana's kitchen. Thank you all so much. It means so much. And to all the amigas that I ran into and that said hello, hey, thank you for your support. Thank you for your support regardless whether you said hello or not. Know that I'm always approachable. I'm super kind. I am just like you. The only thing is I'm vlogging my life and I publish it online for you to see, you know? So always say hi if you see me. Don't be scared. We don't buy.
Talk to her. She's a biatch.
No, I am not. I am not at all, you know?
Don't do it, amigas.
What you see is what you...
Amigas, don't do it. It's a trap.
That is not true.
It's a trap, amigas.
No.
Don't talk to her.
It is not true. Stop lying.
Stop the guy.
Stop the guy.
But it's a trap, amigas.
No, it is not. But the most funny part is that one of the amigas is actually in the police corps. And she said hi. I was just shocked that somebody from the police... Of course, she's just human, you know? But I didn't expect...
She should have locked you up.
Why should have she... Why did she have to lock me up?
Coming to the island without saying hello.
That's not true, Benny. Come on.
Buon tarde.
Buon tardi.
Bon dia.
Hey, buon
No,
noche.
but those people of the island are very polite.
Yes.
I really noticed that. Like,
Yeah.
everywhere they come in, they say bon tarde,
Mhm.
or bon dia, or bon noche.
Yeah.
And also, like, when they see you in the street, they greet nicely. Like, it's nice to see.
Right?
Yes.
Yeah. I agree.
Yeah, but the police lady.
Yeah, the amiga from the police corps, like, thank you so much for your support.
Lock
Thank you
her
for...
up next time.
No! Shut up. Thank you for your service for the country. It means so much. And I was just shocked, you know? I was just shocked. And also for the Johnny Cake girl, thank you so much.
What Johnny Cake girl?
The Johnny Cake girl that sold us the Johnny Cake mix and asked me
Oh,
to make
yeah.
the TikTok or vlog it.
She
To
can't
em-
bake.
Huh?
She can't bake, amigas.
She can't bake?
You can't bake.
Who can't bake what?
You can't bake.
Panayo. Basta. Stay going, Picanswa. Yeah. I can bake, okay? I can bake. But anyways, thank you so much to everyone. Thank you to everyone who came to my meet and greet. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Bluefin charter.
Bluefin Charters. Oh my god. Thank you, Bluefin Charters, for the trip to Klein Curacao. Even though we weren't sponsored or anything, we paid for it ourselves. But the service, if you come to Curacao and you want to go to Klein Curacao, make sure to check out Bluefin Charters. They were amazing. It was the best day ever. We had such a good time, such nice people on board. The captain was very nice. Like, everything was just perfect. And just with the catamaran, we just didn't experience like any seasickness or anything like that. They were so nice. My mom can't swim, but they made sure to bring my mom to the shore safely to the beach and back from the beach to the boat. And you know, it was just all perfect. Even if you like can swim but you don't feel comfortable swimming to the beach, they will bring you with the boat. Like, it was so nice. So yeah, that's that. I think I'm gonna wrap it up for today. Tomorrow is a traveling day, but I will vlog it still. Maybe make a little reels and stuff. I try to update you guys through reels. So let me also know if you follow me on Instagram and what you thought about that. Did you like it? That I like updated you through reels? And if I should do that more often, and what you would like to see when we go back home.
The real life.
Yeah. Would you still want me to continue to do reels? Maybe not every day, but maybe like, I don't know, 4 or 5 times a week or something. Would you like makeup tutorials, hair tutorials? What would you like to see on reels? Let me know. Okay?
What's going on?
Yeah, but we're gonna wrap up for today. It's been a good one, and I'll see you tomorrow morning when we need to check out and go to the airport. Bye, we guys. See you tomorrow. Good morning, amiga. It is now the next day. Today we are flying back home. I am sad, but also it's bittersweet. It's bittersweet. But yeah, today is the going home day. We already packed, we're already dressed. Kinda, I have flip-flops, not flip-flops, I have my slides on because my mom told me to just put my sneakers on when we pass customs. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna keep my slides on for a little bit, but the vacation is pretty much over. I am so grateful for this little apartment. So Marvin, if you're watching this, thank you so much for everything. He was so kind and his apartment was just perfect for the two of us. My mom and dad are next door and it was just a perfect situation, a very safe neighborhood. I really enjoyed my time here and I think he's also here now. Or is that my mom? Ah, that's my dad, that's my dad. We're gonna like load up everything in the car. But this is the little apartment. Let me show you. This is the balcony. You have like this little patio with like seats and things. And then you come in. And then this is the apartment. You have like a little dining set. Like 2 sofas that you can sit. A coffee table. Wi-Fi and everything. Air conditioning in the living room. A microwave, a fridge, a simple kitchen. You're not allowed to smoke though. And then you have the bathroom. It is very light, spacious, and my favorite part about it is that when you're standing in the shower, you can see this. You can see like the palm leaf. It just gives an extra tropical feeling. It's a small shower, but it's okay. It does what it has to do. Then here we have our bedroom, or that used to be our bedroom. This is a very big and nice and comfortable king size bed where we used to sleep with air conditioning. It has like a very spacious closet with place to fold stuff, drawers to store away your items. On this side you have like a hanging side. You have a hanging side where you can hang everything. You have little beds that you can use back here. By the way, here you have a little vanity with also like some storage space and a little bench where you can sit and do your makeup or whatever you need to do. A bedside lamp on both sides of the bed. And then here, right now I can't open it, but back here you can also sit. You can lay out your chairs and then you can sit in the sun. You have a washer and you have like some place to dry your clothes. Very, very tropical. I really like it here. Yeah, so let me also show you the outside. The outside is so Caribbean, so perfect. Like you have these beautiful foxtail palm trees around the whole complex. Let me turn the camera. This is my dad's rental car. But here more of the beautiful foxtail palm trees. Right now he doesn't have any cars in, but normally you can also rent cars. Oh, there's little birds. Like, let me try. They're gonna fly away, but let me try. Very pretty tropical. Oh, they're gone. Too bad. But anyways, you have all this space where you can sit, chill, have people to park. And back here is the back side of the apartment. Super pretty. And the apartment itself is in this pretty ochre yellowish color. Beautiful, very well taken care of. We are obsessed. Very nice neighbors also, even though we didn't really see them, but they didn't bother us or anything. So it's just a perfect neighborhood, if I may say so. And then here is where my mom stays on the other side. You know, so if you are with 2 couples, you can rent the whole thing and just have one couple in one apartment and the other couple in the other one. You have a gate that you need to use a remote control to open it. So very, very safe. There's an alarm system, so your stuff is safe when you're not home. You don't need to be worried, even though it's a very good neighborhood, but still it's very comforting to know that when you're away from home, you don't need to worry about your stuff not being safe because everything is safe. So yeah, that is that. We're now gonna pack up the car and then get ready for the airport. But I'm gonna miss it so much. It was so nice. But we will be back, right?
Yes.
We will be back.
We won't wait 6 years.
No, we won't wait for 6 years. Absolutely not. But we had other priorities. We had other things to do. And that's the reason why we couldn't come. And we all know what happened in 2020 because we were supposed to be here. Huh? 2020, yeah. 2019 we were in Suriname. Yeah. So yeah, I'll talk to you in a little bit. We're gonna finish up wrapping up everything. Marvin is also gonna come to do a final check, see if we didn't burn the place down, but we didn't, so it's gonna be fine. So yeah, thanks Marvin again. He's a very good friend of my family, so thank you for trusting us, for letting us stay here. It was the best time and it really felt like home for the last 10 days, so I really like that. Benayo.
Gisteren is gebeurd, heb ik de gisteren verlaten.
Zie?
Vandaag is vandaag. Ja.
Montaña.
Ja.
Gisteren ben hij zegt, ik wil 11 uur. Hij zegt 11 uur, 9 uur.
Wat is gisteren nog meer geweest?
Ik weet niet meer.
Oké.
Ben hij daar ga je niet.
Sí, Benayo gusta kaya. Benayo, stop di kaya, hè?
Ik weet wat vanaf vanmorgen 12 uur gebeurt. Neem je elke keer een bier voor Eitel, maak je open, dan breng je voor hem. Eitel mag niet zelf nemen vandaag. Heb je gehoord? Oké.
Doei mama, doei Eitel. Doei doei, dankie. Doei. Tiffany, Antillean.